Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we are conducting an in-depth analysis of Microsoft MSFT stock, combining current events with technical analysis from the charts. Recent news suggests strong growth expectations for Microsoft's Azure cloud computing business, with analysts setting price targets as high as $525. However, some recent headlines show that Microsoft stock has experienced some recent downward pressure in recent weeks, which is a factor we'll investigate in this analysis. Let's begin by examining the daily chart to get a broad overview of MSFT's recent price action. The daily chart reveals a clear upward trend in Microsoft stock over the past few months. We observe several instances of support and resistance levels, indicated by significant price consolidations or reversals. Notice how the price frequently bounces off these key levels, highlighting their importance in predicting future price movements. However, there is a very recent period of downward pressure, indicating a possible short-term bearish trend. The volume data shows some correlation with the price fluctuations and therefore may help in future predictions. Now, let's zoom in and look at a specific period on the daily chart, which corresponds to the period of recent downward pressure. In this range of candles, we observe that there is a significant spike in volume, potentially correlated with headlines indicating a drop in Microsoft stock price. To gain a better understanding of the recent downward trend, let's now switch to the 1-hour chart. Here we can see more short-term price fluctuations and more easily identify more recent support and resistance levels. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of MSFT's price action. We can see how the price fluctuates throughout the day, potentially reflecting intraday news events and trading activity. The volume data in the hourly chart confirms the presence of the downward trend and may help with better support and resistance level identification. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart for an even more detailed analysis. This timeframe helps us identify short-term momentum and potential entry/exit points for day traders. The 15-minute chart shows the rapid price fluctuations that occur within each hour. Observe how the short-term trends can quickly shift, highlighting the increased volatility of intraday trading. Notice how the volume data may aid in predicting potential reversals in this timeframe. In summary, we've analyzed Microsoft stock across 3 timeframes, correlating recent news and chart patterns. The daily chart shows a clear upward trend, but has exhibited signs of a recent short-term bearish trend. The hourly chart provides further detail on the recent downward pressure and volatility. The 15-minute chart gives intraday traders more detail on short-term trends. Key price levels to watch include the recent support levels identified on the hourly and daily charts. A sustained break above recent resistance levels would likely reinforce a bullish outlook. Conversely, a continued decline below recent support levels would reinforce a bearish outlook. It is essential to stay informed on future news events impacting Microsoft stock, as these could influence price movements.